Namaste friends. Finally today I have fulfilled one of my life's most important goals of rediscovering, or rather discovering the ancient Anangpur Dam. And very few people know about this dam, and as the Shillalekh says, that this dam was built somewhere 1000 years ago. It is located near the Anangpur village in Faridabad, and as you can see that a significant part of this dam has now been rebuilt by the government of India. Thank you. You can see some arches here. Can you see this arch? This is where the water would have flown, come out, and then the water would have come down these steps, and then it would have flown down the valley. So this is one of the oldest structures of Delhi, known structures of Delhi, which are still existing. We also have Qutub Minar, and we also have the Iron Pillar, we also have the Purana Killa, and we have so many other places. But this is something amazing. So imagine this dam being built by Hindu kings in Delhi more than 1000 years back. And all these days we've been thinking that we didn't have any engineering skills, we couldn't make anything. But this is here a clear proof of the engineering skills of our Hindu engineers, Hindu kings 1000 years back, at least 1000 years back. King Anangpal is also credited to be the grandfather of King Prithviraj Chauhan. We don't know whether it is true or not, but let's assume that he was the grandfather indeed. So this building is also connected in some sense with King Prithviraj Chauhan. As you can see, this deep valley here would have been a river more than 1000 years ago, and this river was bundled or was dammed by this by nearly this 50 meter or 60 meter dam. It's quite high, and you can see steps here, and thanks to the ASI it has conserved this structure made up of rubble. Thankfully, not many historians talk about this structure, otherwise they would have called this structure as yet another Muslim structure, either made by Muslims or conserved by Muslim sultans like Firoz Shah. After all, Firoz Shah is credited with having dug up several canals in Delhi, which I find so outrageous. So perhaps this structure, this dam, couldn't be conquered by the Muslim kings because it is deep inside the Aravallis, and that is why the credit for this dam didn't go to them. But it's a lovely piece of discovery. I take congratulations for discovering this piece, this architectural marvel. I had first tried to find it in May 2023 when the weather was quite pleasant, but today it is quite hot, 37 degrees, and it's expected to go to 39 degrees. You can see my car there, and I drove down all the way from Dwarka to this place, and after this I will try to chat up with some people and find out what they know about the Anangpal Dam. So far there isn't even a single soul in sight. Everybody is sleeping. The day is so hot, so I can understand. But just look at these steps. See? So Chennai and Tamil Nadu people, you have got competition here, right? Now I'm just thinking whether the water came from here, from my left, or it came from right, that direction, because that right direction is deeper and this one is shallower. So I'm not sure. It is the hydrogeologists or the geologists who would have a better answer. But and you know what, somewhere upstream here, I would say, if it is an upstream, then somewhere towards Surajkund, you will find a huge tank. So probably that tank was connected with this dam, and the river of this dam later on connected with some river. This is again an arch, I think. Yes, arch. Here, you can see that. So probably some Muslim king did have a hand in reconstructing a part of this dam, and just see this amazing structure. I hope I don't fall down, guys. I hope I don't fall down. I have put on my Woodlands. Let's see. I would love to go down there, but I won't, because I don't know, if something happens to my arms or legs, then nobody is going to save me. So our day is made, and today I have become a full-fledged, discoverer, explorer of Delhi. And I take pride in saying that I have rediscovered many of Delhi's ancient monuments. This was one item that was on my wish list for the past 3-4 years, and now that wish list is over. I'll still again show some more parts of this dam. Seems somebody cooked some food here. See, I hope to see some inscriptions here also, but there are no inscriptions. And now what I'll do is, once I reach home, I'll read up the Imperial Gazette of Haryana or Gurgaon or Faridabad, if they have any, and find out if there is something to be read about it. Now let me go to the far end of this place and see if I can find some other interesting thing. Look at these fields, pretty fields, right? So pretty fields. Doesn't look like that we are in NCR or Delhi, but Delhi does hold a lot of interesting things. And thank you, Bhagwan Ram, for helping me find this place so easily. Last time was a very, very harrowing attempt in reaching Anangpur Dam. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and once I reach the other side, the end of this dam, then I'll switch it off, so that I can walk across the difficult terrain. And this is the terrain that I hope to walk down on. Let's see.